to the G Technology booth here at NAB New York. This is our in-motion booth, and we're showing all of our different portable drive options today. So everything from our spinning rugged Armor ATD drive, our G Drive Mobile SSD, and our G Drive Mobile Pro SSD. And we have everything to cover every part of production here. Flyaway drives, performance, and high performance drives depending upon your needs. This is our on location, so this is what you're typically going to see on a film set. So we have our G Drive, our G Speed Shuttle SSD here, also set up with some EV adapters. So if you need to ingest red mags or CFast cards, we've got you covered there. Again, our G Drive Mobile Pro SSD, which is our high performance NVMe based drive, and then our G Drive EV RAW SSD. So we have our Studio Shuttle XL, which is our 8-bay shuttle. We're also showing some of the EV adapters there. We have our single drive G Drive, and we have our G RAID, which is 2 drives. And that's what we have at the show.